Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all, my beautiful people? I hope that you all are doing great today. So, in this video, I am going to give you 3 movie recommendation from Netflix to improve your English language. So, these movies are from different genres, so you can enjoy it. So, these genres are science fiction, comedy, inspiring, and romance. Yes, so you can choose your favorite genre from these movies. I am going to give you 3 movies recommendation. So are you ready for it? So let's start. So here my first movie recommendation is The Pursuit of Happiness. You can find it on Netflix. The Pursuit of Happiness. You must have heard about it, and some of you must have watched it. The genre of the movie is inspiring, touching, and emotional. This is an inspiring movie. You can get motivated by watching this movie. Starring Will Smith and Jaden Smith. This is a touching story of a single father and his son. The father struggles to create better life for himself and his younger son. He tries to change his personal and professional circumstances to give better life to his son. This is a very moving story. So if you want to watch it and improve your English, then please do watch it. This is very heart-touching movie of father and a son. So do watch it to improve your English and to create an atmosphere around yourself of English language. So that was my first recommendation, and that was The Pursuit of Happiness. So do watch it. So my next and second recommendation is The Notebook. If you like romance, if you like emotional movies, if you like love stories, then this movie is for you, my friend. The Notebook. This movie is an adaptation of Nicholas Sparks' best-selling novel. It is a beautiful and gorgeous and touching love story. This movie is about two young lovers who are torn apart by a war and the class differences from 1940s. So it is a very moving and beautiful love story. If you like romance, if you like rom-com, then you have to watch it. You can watch it to improve your English language. So that was my second recommendation, The Notebook. So my next and third recommendation is Don't Look Up. You can find it on Netflix. Don't Look Up is a science fiction movie. The genre of the movie is comedy, humor, and science fiction. This movie is meant as a satirical metaphor for a response to climate change, climate emergency. So it is a science fiction movie with dark humor. If you love dark humor and science fiction movie, then this movie is suitable for you. If you love science fiction movie, if you love enjoying science fiction, then this movie is for you, my friend. So Don't Look Up. You must watch this movie to improve your English, to improve your pronunciation, and improve your knowledge of English. So this third recommendation was Don't Look Up. It is a science fiction movie starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Jennifer Lawrence. You can find it on Netflix. So those were my 3 recommendations of movies to improve your English language. But you have to remember one thing here. If you really want to be fluent in English, then please keep this in mind that you have to have real conversation with real people. You cannot just sit at home and listen to and watch movies only. Yes, if you are a beginner, if you are in your initial phase of English learning, spoken English, then you can watch, you can build a base for yourself. This is for your listening part and understanding part of English language. You can have knowledge of new vocabulary, words with expression, dialogues, sentence formation, sentence structure, what actors are saying with expression. You can know about idioms, phrases, new words from watching movies. But you have to speak to real people to be fluent in English. You have to remove the fear of speaking English. And how can you do it? You have to put yourself in reality. You have to talk to someone in English. So keep this in mind and do not forget that if you want to be fluent, then you have to start speaking in English with someone. So do not rely just on me. You have to believe in yourself and you have to start working on yourself. Then you will have great consequences for yourself, and then you will have that success you have desired for you. So do not forget that you can do it with good direction, good projection and execution. Do not just think, sit and think, just stand up and work on yourself. So these were my 3 recommendation movies from Netflix. And if you haven't watched my last recent video, how can you improve your English from Netflix, I have given you 5 methods, 5 ways to improve English from Netflix. Then if you haven't watched it, then please do watch it before you watch these recommendation movies. So that's it today from my side. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, do like, do share it with your friends and family who wants to learn English. I need your appreciation. If you subscribe and if you comment on my comment section, then this will give huge motivation for me to create content like these. And if you have anything to say, then please write in my comment section. I am waiting. And if you have any recommendation for topic to make videos from my side, then please do it. So that's it for today. I will be meeting you in my next video. So see you. Do not forget to subscribe.